In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a link and bio page on Mailerlite. We'll build a simple mobile-friendly landing page that works like Linktree so all your important links live in one place. First, open Mailerlite and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, head to Sites, then choose Landing Pages and click Create Landing Page. This brings you into Mailerlite's landing page builder, which makes setup quick and visual. Next, pick a simple template. The creator, minimal, or even a blank template works great here. For a link and bio page, you want a clean mobile layout with a single column design. That structure keeps everything easy to scan on a phone and helps your buttons stand out. Start by adding your profile section. Drop in a profile photo, your brand or creator name, and a short punchy bio that explains who you are or what visitors can expect. Think one quick line, clear, friendly, and on brand. Keep it concise so it doesn't push your links too far down the page. Now add your links using the button block. Create a separate button for each destination you want to highlight: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, your store, newsletter, or a free ebook. Each button can point to a website, social profile, product page, or video. Give every button a clear label so people instantly know where they'll go. Customize the button design to match your branding. Adjust colors, rounded corners, font size, hover effects, and spacing. A popular approach is full-width buttons with generous vertical spacing, which are easier to tap on small screens. Make sure there's strong color contrast for readability and accessibility. Add social icons by dragging in the social block. Include the platforms where you're most active: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube. Icons are a quick visual cue and complement your main buttons without taking up much space. Optionally, add an email sign-up form. You can embed a simple newsletter form to collect subscribers directly from your bio page. This is perfect for lead magnets, free downloads, or updates, and it turns casual visitors into ongoing contacts. Before you publish, optimize for mobile. Use the mobile preview to double-check button spacing, font size, and overall readability. Make sure links are easy to tap and nothing important is pushed below the fold. When everything looks good, click Done Editing, then Publish. Mailerlite will generate a URL for your page. That's your new link in bio. Copy it and you're ready to share it wherever your audience finds you.